Paul from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I'm reviewing two things. This is the Behr semi-transparent waterproofing. Had bad luck with the last one I used. And this paint stick.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
What you're going to see me doing now is something I just learned at the end. I'm not applying any right now. You see me after you can get it like just a long run, so 3 or 4 boards. I just walk backwards down it when the paint stick is out. So if you try to get the little globs out that fall out, or like, you know, the drips, you're going to drive yourself insane. So what I do at the very end is the last 4 boards I went through, I just make sure the roller in the middle is really cool because it paints inside for you, which if you try to do this without that, I think I'd lose my mind because you got to use a brush and go back. So at the very end, what I notice works best is when I'm all done at the end, I just quickly take the pad, go down. See how it does half the board and half the board in between like a line? When I'm all done applying, I go by any spots I miss, it hits, any smush like parts that came out, it just grabs, which is really cool. It also, if you missed a spot, at the end, when you go back down, it just grabs and does it again. So what I like to do is I like to push it in at the beginning, and then like I said at the end, then I just go down and I look when I'm done. If I see any spots, this is only the first coat. I'll just go like this and wipe it away. Do it when the paint stick's empty, because when it's full, it's gonna glob all over the place. So what you do is they give you this nifty little thing here, make sure the paint's stirred. There's a little piece right here. Make sure the paint stick, when you're all done, go like this. Get all the air out. Stick it in here. Now for paints, it might work a little bit better as pushing the handle down, I noticed, because they're thicker. But on this one here, you suck the paint up. Don't start at the ends, because that's when a lot of paint comes out. Like so, don't stop it. Start like here, and start working it till the paint comes out. But notice one thing I'm not doing is I'm not in the thing to show you to push the handle. Oh my God, because this is a semi-transparent stain, it comes out fast because it's very watery. So now what I'm doing, when I'm doing this, instead of like pushing the handle, I just put a little bit of pressure and I feed a little bit more paint. See how much just came out though? I barely touched it. And so what I do in the first run is I push the paint in, and I concentrate on one board in the middle, this one that I'm going to the right side now, and I'm pushing it in. So I don't care if there's a glob or something. If I notice it's gonna put a little up, so I'm gonna come back at the very end and just wipe it all in. What I'm trying to do is go back and forth into both cracks. They say to go like this and then go like this, but it doesn't work. I tried it, it just does not work. And with this unit here, we'll put a link in the show notes. The thing, when you go like this, it doesn't matter. See how it just pushes itself up? So it doesn't hold the pad away. There's a couple of brands out there, make sure you don't buy them. We'll put this in the show notes, that the little ball here doesn't retract. So you have to stay in a certain spot. I can't even imagine doing it. I think that'd be a royal pain in the butt. But as you can see, it goes on pretty good. I'm really not pushing the handle though. I just give a little bit of pressure to the handle, just a tiny bit when the pad runs out. Now, like I'm saying, if using a thick paint, you probably do have to push it through. You know what I mean? But this is a translucent what is it? What's that saying? Semi-transparent. A solid stain is much thicker, almost like paint. But I wanted to see some of the knots through it. So basically what I'm going to do is, when we're done this, is I'm going to put it, we're going to do a review on how this holds up. We'll come back and do another review on the end of the season. We'll take another shot when it's totally done and cured. We'll do a shot on the end of the season, and then how it holds up over the winter. And then see if we have to redo this next year, because according to the thing, it's like 4 to 6 years. If I get 3 out of it, I'll be thrilled. But that's my tips on this thing. Don't push too much through, because it goes through. And if you have any questions, just give us a holler.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.